True goodness is like water. It nurtures everything and harms nothing. It ever seeks the lowest place, the place that all others avoid. Lao Tzu. The world is increasingly interconnected. Technological breakthroughs allow information to spread across the globe in seconds. Nations far and close are intertwined. Nature also has a way of connecting different nations. Transboundary rivers have inevitably connected ancient civilizations and modern nations alike. India and Pakistan are bound by the Indus River. The United States and Mexico have the Rio Grande. Ethiopia, Sudan, and Egypt have the Nile. These nations are not only bound by geography, but by the lifeblood of transnational waterways. Fresh water is a precious resource and is increasingly becoming a source of competition and conflict. But what if there was a way to turn these challenges into opportunities for collaboration? Welcome to MaiNex, a smart platform for a changing world, where innovation meets diplomacy. We've harnessed the power of technology to bridge divides and build a sustainable future using state-of-the-art technological tools. Our journey began with the Nile, a river that witnessed tensions between nations vying for its life-sustaining waters. Ethiopia has launched the construction of the Great Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, GERD, in 2011, the largest dam in Africa on one tributary of the Nile, known as Abay in Ethiopia or Blue Nile internationally. Since the start of the construction, tripartite negotiation teams have held multiple high-level meetings for more than a decade. The Ethiopian side, which is upstream, assumes that there will be no reduction to the volume of water flowing downstream. Meanwhile, the Egyptian side believes such a grand project on its primary source of fresh water is a potential national security risk. There is a huge gap in perception. The general public and decision makers in all three countries do not see eye to eye on all the issues that matter. As 21st century leaders, we should not repeat the same approaches that was tested and failed. Instead, we should leverage emerging technologies and innovative thinking to resolve it. What if we forget about national boundaries and we start treating the whole river as one entity? The Blue Nile Basin. Introducing a groundbreaking digital platform that collects meteorological and hydrological data through IoT, Internet of Things sensors that generate meteorological and flow source data. This data will go through a blockchain-based platform that generates transparent, immutable, auditable, and accessible data to technical experts and the general public of both nations alike. AI-enabled report generation will ensure source data can be summarized and published without human intervention. The objective here is to reach an agreement that takes into account the interests and concerns of the three countries, replacing discord by harmony through cutting-edge technologies. Our sensors now dance with the currents, providing real-time data to guide collaborative decision-making. But our journey doesn't end with the Nile. From the Amazon to the Mekong, we are transforming conflicts into collaborations. Our technology is a beacon of hope for communities worldwide. Because it's not just about rivers, it's about people. It's about the right to development and leaving no one behind. The aim of our platform is to foster connections, understanding, promoting a shared responsibility for our planet's most precious scarce resources through preserving the rights of future generations. As we look to the future, envision a world where our technology transcends borders, creating a tapestry of cooperation and environmental stewardship that shall, in return, promote peace and security. Together, we can ensure a flourishing planet for generations to come. Join us on this journey where we turn the page on conflicts that arise from one of our most precious resources, water, and earn dividends of peace. Together, we can make every drop count. MaiNex, a futuristic platform that is successfully prototyped on the historical Nile River, navigating the waters of diplomacy, innovation, and sustainability. Join us on this voyage toward a brighter, connected future.